All right, all right, all right. All right, so look, we just gonna okay, wait a minute. All right, so let's put this on do not disturb, okay? All right, so everybody relax, everybody sit down, relax, okay? So we're right into this. So yes, we I moved my this is Tuesday, okay? Today is Tuesday, and we did get into a trade. We didn't close our trade from last week that we were down. I can't remember. We were down a lot. We ended up closing the trade at around 38.1 pips. And then what had happened was I put in a buy limit. Please do not. I put in a buy limit um, at this price because I was expecting a slight retracement to go up to the upside, but that did not happen, and we ended up. Can you please, sir? Sorry, the cat. So what ended up happening was we ended up getting filled for the move, but it ended up going down. So what I did was it was gonna be a 1-on-1 at first. It was gonna be a I think it was like 27 something pips for risking around 27 pips. So it was a 1-of-1. Basically where it is right now, it was gonna be my TP. So but what ended up happening is when we got filled, is this the play right here? Yes, this is the play. So when we got filled, it came all the way down. This is the 30-minute time frame. It came down right here and we got filled, and we saw basically a little bit of profit, but then price went all the way down here. Okay? Price went all the way down here. And since I was like, what? What? Like, what? Like, I can't believe this. I shouldn't have been so greedy. So I was like, I'll do a 1-on-1 still, but I'll just widen the gap and just make it a swing trade. Fuck it. Who cares? It's a live account. I can do what I want. So what I did was I just moved this to around 50 pips, and then I moved the take profit to 50 pips. So, and then right here, I kind of caught a buy at the bottom that we've been holding. So basically, the whole account is on the line right here. But anyway, what I wanted to tell you guys is that we did get out of the last trade that we were in on Friday, and stuff like that. So I do want to show you that. I don't know if I posted that video, but I'm pretty sure this video will be posted right after, so that you guys will be able to see what happened at the end of that video. So at the end of that video, uh, I I held the trade. I ended up holding the trade, and I held it over the weekend. And when the market opened, I sold it at the market high. So this was the entry that we had, and we were on all this drawdown, and then we ended up selling up here at where it is now, around five. Well, not now. It's about 10 pips above this now. So we were kind of like right here. We sold right here on this candle, which was like the top, and I was fine with that. And so what I did was I didn't place the pullback right here. I placed the pullback right around here. So kind of like right in this AOI. And what happened was that triggered, and you can see we were in drawdown all Monday going into like literally Tuesday London session. And I'm going to talk about an indicator that I just found out about that kind of gave me confidence in this trade. I'm not going to lie. It gave me a lot of confidence in this trade. And that's why I held it a little bit longer, and I didn't close it when I could have closed it, or I should have closed it. And I was just thinking set and forget the whole time, even though I didn't set and forget, but I was just like, I was watching it the whole fucking time. But I was just like, man, I gotta fucking close. Gotta keep it open. I gotta keep it open. And God, what am I looking for? Okay, I'm trying to take the positions off. So we can move this. So yeah, we didn't see profit until literally this morning. until literally, hold up. 1 second. I'll let you go. There you go. Yeah, I literally didn't see profit till this morning. And part of the reason why I didn't record yesterday, I didn't record at all yesterday. It was my birthday. So. But I was in drawdown my whole birthday. I could have closed on an L on my birthday, no lie. So anyways, yeah, I kept the play open, and here we are right now. And the thing is that I could close right here. I should close right here. But my whole thing is that I didn't close when I was in profit, when I wasn't in profit. And why should I close now? I mean, I could just get out on a winner, but fuck it. It's got to hit my take profit. I don't think we've seen one of my plays hit profit, hit TP on YouTube yet. So this is going to be the first one. So we're going to just let this play out. So like I said, you guys already know the story of why we're bullish. We've been really wanting to be bullish the whole time we were losing last week. Last week we lost almost every buy play we put in. We lost almost every buy play we put in. And this week we started off on a buy L. Like, you know what I'm saying? So we're still bullish, and it, it shows. So I'm just gonna keep my bias until I feel like we're not bullish anymore. But right here, I mean, we are at an equal high, but we're trending. It's just, it's just a lot. It's a lot of psychology. It's a lot of psychology. You guys know I've been on a crazy losing streak. We did break the losing streak though. Right here on this trade, we made some good money. We made it, like I said, we made around 38 pips, even though we were in drawdown. And this was some good psychology too this week, I can't lie. I mean, I've had to keep trading, like, not because I need to, but because, like, this is just what I want to do. This is what I do. Like, this is not what I want to do. This is, like, what I do type shit. So, boom, we come out on top. We took right here, 111. I mean, we could have held it too. We could have held it. It hit my TP. Like, literally after I didn't hold it, it hit my TP, guys. Like, that shit sucks. Like, it shit sucks. Because I'm not setting and forgetting. Because I'm fucking letting my psychology get the best of me. Like, I have to believe in myself. So the most we were down in this position was only 22 pips. That's not even a lot of pips. That's not even a lot of pips for real. Only 22 pips? That's nuts. Right here, we were probably down around like 30 pips. You have to get off my screen. Should I can show. All right, let's get this off the screen now. Yeah, so how many pips did this go down? So this went down 38 pips? 37.8 pips? Boy, we were down a lot of pips, boy. We were down 37.8 pips, boy. It was literally the whole YouTube. It was literally the whole profit that I made. I was like, fuck that. Fuck that. Fuck that. Get it in blood, nigga. Get it in blood. If you want the bread that I just made, you gonna have to fucking kill me, nigga. The fuck? Now, what's gonna happen now is you're gonna hit my TP. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. Hit my TP or beat. Oh my god, bro. So, I just want to showcase psychology. I just want to let you guys know, like, on a fucking live account, you can do what you want as long as you can do what you want, man. Just manage your risk. Just manage your risk. It's simple. It's simple. I mean, they don't even let me risk that much, but I'm risking everything. But it's not a lot. It's not a lot. It's not a lot. $20 something is a lot. I mean, not a lot. But imagine going into it. Now you're stepping your game up and you're going to fucking $80 a pip. Now you're playing with the big boys, and you really gotta have your psychology down pat. And you gotta realize 20 pips is just 20 pips, even though it's $1,600. 20 pips would be $1,600. So if I'm down $1,600, I can't be riding that one in that sell button. And even if I'm up 27 pips and I got this much profit, I mean, just gotta fucking, it's crazy, dude. You do gotta close them losers early though. I ain't gonna lie, but sometimes gotta believe in that stop loss. If that 27 was looking funky, I moved that shit to 50. What'd it do? Like, come and get me. Come and get me. Ain't that what Jay-Z said? Come and get me. Nah, I'm talking too much shit. They finna stop my dumb ass out. Let me take profit. They tweaking. I'm tweaking. Let me take profit. Nah, we not gonna take profit until 8. Cause if I don't take profit until 8, they gonna tax the fuck out of me. Let that shit liquidate all the way down. I would cry. I would literally cry right here on live YouTube for everyone to see. I don't give a fuck. All right, remember we slipped up last time because we didn't go to the left and we didn't see any purple. We didn't see, there's no purple zones. You see what I like right here? This was last week, right? And we made the profit right here. But this right here is a zonski. This is important. We got to mark this. Pause. Wait, that wasn't pause. Tweaking. All right. This really ain't shit. This is just some highs from 142, which we're above. So what I could do is just say previous high. The fuck? Did I do that? No. Stop messing with my shit. Fucking trading view. Beat your ass, nigga. Alright. So we're gonna put it. This has got to be a zone. We do zones. We don't do lines. We do zones around here. We do zones. I be forgetting. So this right here. Nah, we got to go from right here. Because these just is too much. We got buy, sell, sell, buy, sell. This is just too much. So we'll say 50, between 50, 70, we'll do 50, 70, and we'll do 25. We'll do 25, 125. We'll do 70 and 125. Actually, we want to be a little bit more, I feel like we want to be a little bit more accurate on this. Let's just try and be as accurate as we can. I mean, which we will never be, but we can be as accurate as we can. You dig? I don't like the price it's at right now, but it is what it is. Do 70. We just gonna do 70. I rise up. Euro USD, I rise up. Please get the money to me, I rise up. I've been holding this trade all week. Please rise up. Rise up to me. Please rise up. Rise to my TP. Please rise up. And take this that is from me, oh Lord. Yes. Raise your hands in the air. Raise your hands in the air. Excuse me? What is this? What is this? What is this? Oh, that's the money I could have fucking made. If I fucking wasn't a pussy. But I wonder if I should be a pussy right now. That's the $1 million. Like, should I be a pussy and just close my trade? Like, dead ass. Like, should I just be a pussy right now? Like, I really feel like I should just be a pussy and just close my fucking trade. Fuck, I'm really feeling like a pussy right now, dude. Really want to close my trade, bro. So this is the higher high. So this was the previous high. This was the previous high. We got to get out the 30-minute time frame, guys. We're in a 30-minute time frame. Oh, my God. We need to get out this shit. I'm about to get trapped. You're about to see it. About to see a nigga get trapped in time. This is what happens. Fuck. Let's get out of this time frame before I freaking go crazy. Hold up. So I hope the trade recap was pretty fast. This is I haven't really. I don't even feel like I went over the trade recap, if I'm being honest. It's just been fucking around. Okay. So. Yeah, we haven't been on our time frame all day, because if I would have been, I would have had a heart attack. But nah, I was locked in all day. I ain't gonna lie to you, boy. I was locked in all day. So yeah, we would have been right. This was definitely the higher high. And right now it just broke this high. So I mean, we could be expecting a retracement. But look how much it's trending. It's really trending. It's got a lot of momentum going up. It's really rallying. But we've seen things like we saw here. This red candle was fucking disrespectful. This was the candle. Oh, this is the Monday candle. Yeah, that I got in. Utes. Oh yeah, so guys, look, I mean, we did take profit when we should have, man. Look, we did take profit when we should have. It doesn't really show like that on the 30-minute time frame. Yeah, we took profit when we should have out of this trade. Because if we didn't, I'm tripping. Because if we didn't, our asses would have been right back in drawdown. But we low-key would have been in a better position than what we are in right here. Low-key ski. So, we're just going to keep that in mind. But boom, yeah, this sucks. We had to take a 1-for-1 like a fucking doofus. But it's okay, man. I think we're gonna be okay. What I want to do is this: take all this shit off the screen. Take all this stuff off the screen. Executions, all that. Let's keep the positions open though. I need to see what everything's at. All right, cool. We looking. We okay. Maybe we have to take the position. Nah, we good. All right. So, sir. Earth to cursor. So this is a support zone. This is like a supply zone. Oh Lord. We could be screwed. It could happen to us, Harry. They could just dump it here. Or it could form a head and shoulders. And this would be the shoulder. Oh, wait a minute. Is this shoulder? This might be some liquid. Games. Prepare yourselves. Prepare yourselves for liquidity. Prepare yourselves for possibly the worst liquidity we have ever seen on YouTube. What is the numbers on this guy, sir? That's not the choice I'm looking for. 225. We're going 225. Okay, so this is gonna be what? 2.5 pips. This is a 2.5 pip zone. Oh Lord. Oh Lord. This is scary. Oh my. Just break through. Ooh, just break through. Please. Please. Just show me the way. Please. No liquidity. No liquidity, please. Show me the money. Just show me the money. Okay. I didn't like that. I did not like that. So, do we see any FVGs? Any FVGs in the chat? Has everything been filled? Pause. Okay. Ooh. This is nice. I just don't like this. I just don't like this. This is scaring me. We need volume. Volume, where are you? Show yourself. Okay. Show yourself. Okay. Dude, can I see these? Can these get bigger? Holy crap, I can barely see them. I got all this shit on my screen. I can't see them. Oh, thank you. Okay, holy shit. Just want to see the volume, man. What's this? At 5? So this is during closed market. This is during when the market was closed. Market open. We had this amount of volume. When was this? Tuesday? This was yesterday? What's today? Tuesday? Today's Tuesday? Yeah, today's Tuesday. What's these candles? What the fuck is this shit? Who did this? Now, which one of these assholes did this? I gotta... Man, that's interesting. Take it away. Bro, it's just right here. We need you to just go 21 more pips. That's it. That's light. You know how many sellers are getting in right here? Take them all out. Take all these shits out. Take all them sellers out. Hit my TP. Let me close my trade. And let's go hunting. Let's go hunting for tomorrow. Like, grah. This trade was entirely too long. But sometimes you gotta hold them. Sometimes you gotta know when to hold them, and you gotta know when to fold them. Sometimes they fold for you. Sometimes they'll just fold for you. But sometimes you gotta know when to hold them. And when you hold them, you hold them. Oh man, we got 10. We got 10 of them on there. We got 10 of them things on there, y'all. No, that shit ain't nothing. That shit ain't nothing, bro. I seen somebody on there. They had like 80. We ain't gonna talk about that. We ain't gonna talk about that. Look. I'm gonna show y'all something else. We ain't gonna talk about that, though. I'm gonna show y'all something else, but we ain't gonna talk about that, though. Hold up. I'm gonna show y'all something else, but we ain't gonna talk about that, though. We're gonna talk about them options. We ain't gonna talk about them options. We're gonna talk about them options. We're not gonna talk about that though. Anything else? We're gonna keep it. We're gonna do take it baby steps. You know, baby steps. But I do want to show y'all some nasty shit. Y'all want to see something nasty? I'll show y'all something nasty. That's nasty, right? That's what happens when you buy crypto. But look how much margin I have available. It's like, it literally cost me... How much did it cost? Yeah, I don't know. That's just crazy, though. I'm not even I'm nowhere near margin. I'm this much down. I'm 178K down, but I've only used 8,000 margin. Isn't that weird? Oh, let's go somewhere else. But yeah, being down 174K in another account is fucking nuts. But those are all demos. Those are all demos. This is an actual live account. Yeah, live. So. You know what I mean? We trying to do something. Take it away. Like I said, we just want to hold this trade until Asian market. But yeah, man, we're gonna keep this trade open until it hits TP. Period. Like, it did hit this. It almost did. It tried to. This was another day right here before I got. What's this? This is. Oh yeah, this is. I moved it there. But it would. Yeah, if I had kept my whatchamacallit in, I would have had it definitely would have hit it. But I would have lost $50 too if it had hit it. 50. Where's 50 at? Man, it was really trying to get me all. They was trying to take all my money. Exactly 37.8 pips. They would have left me with a fucking dollar. Those bitch ass motherfuckers, dude. Cool. Yeah, so we chilling, man. We chilling. All we doing, we ain't gonna guess the top. We not even trying to guess the top. For real, we gonna allocate all our money, and we gonna figure out what the next play is, and we gonna risk accordingly. And I wouldn't say we've been revenge trading, but I have been trying to allocate for the money that I did lose last week, even though everything started with this loss, guys. Okay, yeah, this is the trade that we had held. That this was this day. So we held this from the 24th and we closed it like the next morning. Or the next, literally a day later. Wait, am I? Oh, this was the order right here, 24. So then we closed it. Guys, I'm so sorry. So where is it? Okay. So yeah, this one. We got in at February 21st at 6:35 a.m. And we closed it February 23rd at 8:20 p.m., which is Sunday. And then we got filled Monday morning. And we got into that other trade that's at 900 U's, and then we haven't closed yet. But yeah, I wanted to show y'all the loss that started it all. This loss right here. Where is she at? It was literally just $11. It was this. $11 turned into this. This is what $11 turned into. That's insane, right? Turned into that. $11 turned into that. $11 turned into that. $11 turned into that. Turned into that. It's crazy. Literally crashing out. Literally crashing out, man. The perfect example of crash out. But I mean, if you guys want me to go over anything right now, the only thing that I would just say is just like, this trade was a similar situation. I want to say I think I went for a 1-1 and all this happened. I think I moved my stop loss. Boom, boom, boom. You know, maybe I need to add more space to my stop loss, but right here we took like 36. What was it? 36 pips. 38.7 pips was right there and stuff like that. Excuse me. So yeah. He made a little bit back, and once this trade hits TP, we're gonna basically make everything we lost last week back. And that's a blessing. That makes me happy. For real, because my psychology was suffering all week. Like I literally just was like, dude, what is happening? What is wrong with me right now? So yeah. But we just held straight with our buys. We've been bullish. We've just been getting in the sells a little bit. These buys were a little bit too aggressive, maybe I would say. This one was cool. We did make about 21 pips on this trade, but that, like I said, that wasn't the thing. So maybe we just need to understand, like, are we going to be swing trading? Are we going to be intraday trading? That's maybe what I might need to start thinking about. That might benefit, swing trading might benefit me a little bit more than just being intraday. So we'll start thinking about moves like that instead of being at the charts all day. You know, honestly, I don't fuck with it. Like, it's fun for me to come on here and do. You know, think what I think and get off and stuff like that. But what sucks is, you know, I do like to micromanage my positions. I don't like to micromanage people, but I like to micromanage my positions and see, like, okay, whoa, this is having a lot of momentum to the downside. I think we're going to be having CPI soon. Yeah, so this is going to be interesting. Definitely going to be looking to make about 100 pips that day. I'm not going to lie to you. Not going to lie to you. We can either make 50 or we can make 100. Or we can make 68. I don't know. I just like the number 68. 68 is a number that is hit before that we've got. I think 68 would be our highest pip. Claimage pause. I don't know. That sounded kind of weird. But, you know, there's a lot of liquidity up here. I think there's buyers holding up here at 5. So, like me, but I got out. So, I mean, but imagine if I'd sold right here. We would have been boom. It was obvious. It would have been an obvious sell, but it just, I don't know. I should have known. It's going to take time to break this. There's probably so many institutions with a freaking sell limit order right here. Because I think when it went right there, it literally just pooped the bed. Let me see. Imagine shitting in the bed. I can understand peeing in the bed, but shit in the bed? That's crazy. Yeah, so it just was like, did all that. I wonder if the banks know they be fucking shit up. Like, bro, you just fucked up everything. You fucked up everything. They be like, yeah, we know. We don't give a fuck. Like, well, fuck you then. But yeah, guys, that's everything, man. Hopefully, well, not hope. I'm gonna stop saying hopefully tomorrow when I open this. I've been taking screenshots. Oh yeah, let me show you guys the screenshots today. Today was some funny little screenshots that I took. Basically, kind of just illustrating the psychology that I was going through today. Okay, so this picture right here was taken at 7:20 not 7:20 10:52 a.m. right? So this was that liquidity that we had saw on the this move right here. So this was this move. Okay? So we saw this and I'm like, okay, should I take profit? Like I send the homies like, should I TP? Like I'm stupid. Like I messed up. Like I was just up like $20. Like I'm an idiot. Homie was like, nah, bro, keep holding it. And I'm like, that's what I was gonna do anyway. But since you told me that, I'm definitely not closing this shit. So we didn't close it. Boom. Price gets here, y'all. Look at this. This was taken at 12:15. So from 10:52 to 12:15, it's down this much. It's literally reversed. I'm like, holy shit. I'm so stupid. What am I doing? I hate this shit. I fucking hate this shit. I'm like, I hate this shit. Boom, we get right here. I'm like, okay. Little retest of the supply zone. That's what we expected, but I don't know. Like, what is it gonna do? Okay, what is it gonna do? And here we are right here. This is why you screenshot your shit, because look, we're right here at that retest. Let's go ahead and find that candle. Even though that's on the 30-minute, we should be able to find that candle of the retest. Yeah, so around this, that was what? Yeah, around 1. This picture was at 2:49. So let's look at the 2 o'clock candle, which is right here. Right here. Yeah, so this is the retest. So this is the candle that was on that 30-minute right there. So we saw this candle. Or would it be the end? Yeah, it was 2:59. So we would have saw that big move that happened right here, which was the retest. So this was the retest. And then we were really bullish on this candle. And then we just held, and now we're here at this zone, which was the higher high. And I mean, we could get in a trade tomorrow and see what happens at the 5 mark. See if we can get in at a lower, at like the low, and just have a stop loss and go from there. Let's see if we can cook up something. Let's do positions. Boom. Get that stuff out the way. Let's lock this. Lock it. Hide it. I'm stupid. I just did that. Okay. All right. Yeah. So let's go to a handy dandy Fibby. Where's this swing low? So this is the equal low. This is more so the swing low. You could say this, because this right here would be the low, and this would be the higher low. So this would be more so the swing low. You know? And then we do have another swing high. Well, this is the high, and it's kind of establishing a swing high. It hasn't even established the swing high yet. Like, we haven't even seen a swing high. And it's making a new high. If this candle closes, like, I think it should for London. I think Asian session, it might go crazy. We'll see. But right now it's going insane. But we haven't even seen a swing high yet. I don't even want to look for. We could just buy pullbacks. But I want to see it hit a ceiling first. See, this is what we were expecting all week, man. Last week, this is what we wanted. We wanted this. This is what we were looking for. Now, I realize that we could lose everything. I realize that. We could lose everything right now. We could lose all the money that we worked hard for. If I was to buy anything, it would be literally be right back at where I bought it the first time. If I was to buy anything, I would literally get right back into where my position was last week. I mean, this morning or yesterday morning. Imagine being on drawdown on your birthday. Sucked. But I couldn't help but smile because it was funny. But yeah, look at this. This is insane. AOI. This is literally the fair value gap. And how long ago did we draw? How long has this been on? How long has this been on the chart? Seriously. For the people who have been here, day one, how long has this AOI been on the chart? Please tell me. Please tell me. I got right in on the top of that AOI and right at the bottom. That's why I have to be a swing trader, guys. It makes more sense with a bigger stop loss. I don't have to I don't have to do this shit all day. I don't have to look at this shit all day. My phone in my pocket, 50 pips. Do your thing. Euro USD. I believe in you. But after we close this trade, we're gonna do we might not even, we might just see what CPI is gonna do. CPI news might bring that shit all the way back down here. Last time we closed on a position like this, where did we lose at? You guys remember? Nah, we wasn't this. I don't think we were that far. I think we had some shit down here, and we missed out on. I think we got out right here or something like that, and we missed out on all this profit. We're not gonna make the same mistake twice. We don't do that here. Not no more. We didn't make the same mistake twice. Also, another self-criticism that I wanted to do, I don't want to have everything in one position. I don't want to have everything in one position. Never again. This is never going to happen again. What's going to happen is this is going to be 425 and this is going to be 425. Or this would be 25 and then I have a 25 and then I have another 25. And then I have another 25. And then we'll figure it out. We'll see what we can do with the stop loss because I don't like this. I don't like this, you know? It's not sexy. I think it was Q Banks that said, you don't want to have your biggest position at the top. You always want to have it at the I guess it depends on what you say. Like, you want to stack your shit accordingly. Like, if you're bullish, your biggest position should be down here. Your biggest position shouldn't be on top. Your biggest position should be at the best position. So my initial position was right here. This was a great position right here. So in a perfect world, it should be flopped. Opposite if it was bullish, It would be like this if I was bearish. It would be like this if I was bearish. But yeah. So that's just some advice to myself, I think. We'll probably do maybe 4 positions, depending on what our, 4 positions. But we're not gonna be looking for that quick money no more. We're not gonna be. Well, we can. I don't mind it. I don't mind 15 pips. I don't mind 25 pips. I think 20. I think 20 hits. 20 hits with it hits more than. I see 20 hitting more than anything for real. Because this was a 20 pip play right here. This was another 20 pip play. But yeah, this is the trick we missed out on. We closed right here. Just kept going. But yeah, guys. But yeah, guys, man, I'm gonna head out, man. Go and get off these charts, man. Talk to you guys another day. Peace.